Phishing is a cyber attack where an attacker pretends to be a trusted entity to trick you into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords, OTPs, credit card details, or company credentials. Phishing is one of the most dangerous cyber threats today, not because it is highly technical, but because it targets human behavior. Attackers do not try to break firewalls or encryption first. Instead, they exploit trust, fear, urgency, and curiosity. A well-crafted phishing message can look completely legitimate. It may appear to come from your bank, your employer, a delivery service, or even a colleague you know because the message looks real. Many people act immediately without taking time to verify it. This is exactly what attackers want. The goal of a phishing attack is not always the same. In many cases, attackers want to steal login credentials, to gain access to email accounts, company systems, or cloud platforms. In other cases, the goal may be financial fraud, such as stealing credit card details or online banking information. Some phishing attacks aim to install malware or ransomware by tricking the user into opening a malicious attachment or link. Once access is gained, attackers can move deeper into systems, steal data, or cause serious operational damage. There are several common types of phishing attacks that you should be aware of. Email phishing is the most widespread form. Attackers send emails that appear to come from trusted organizations, such as banks, service providers, or internal departments. Smishing is phishing conducted through SMS messages. These messages are often short and urgent, asking you to click a link or respond immediately. Vishing is voice-based phishing. Attackers call victims while pretending to be bank officials, technical support staff, or government representatives. Spear phishing is highly targeted. The attacker may know your name, job role, or organization, making the message feel personal and convincing. Phishing attacks rely heavily on psychological manipulation. Attackers often create a sense of urgency by claiming your account will be locked or suspended. They may use fear by warning about suspicious activity or potential financial loss. Some attacks use authority, pretending to come from senior management or official institutions. Others rely on curiosity, such as fake invoices, rewards, or unexpected notifications. When emotions take over, logical thinking is reduced, making mistakes more likely. There are several warning signs that can help you identify phishing attempts. Always check the sender's email address carefully. A message may look legitimate, but the domain name often reveals the truth. Be cautious of unexpected links or attachments, especially if you were not expecting the message. Poor grammar, spelling errors, or unusual formatting are also common indicators of phishing. Most importantly, remember this rule: no legitimate organization will ever ask for your password, OTP, or recovery codes through email, SMS, or phone calls. A single phishing email can lead to serious consequences: data breaches, financial loss, identity theft, and reputational damage often begin with just one click. Organizations may face legal issues, loss of customer trust, and long-term business impact. All of this can start with a single moment of inattention. Protecting yourself from phishing starts with awareness. Always pause before clicking links or opening attachments. Verify the sender through official channels. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. If something feels suspicious, report it immediately and do not engage with the message. Cybersecurity is not only about technology, it is about informed and cautious behavior.